significant danger. The Venus are everywhere.
Yeah, close.
Right. Never have I ever tried asking my partner if we could bring a third person into our sex life. Really?
Okay.
Lopsided. Never have I ever bought the morning after pill.
He's drinking before he's even ready.
It's just never had a Andrew edition.
Never have I ever let an animal lick my genitals.
Oh,
Oh.
disgusting. That is actually disgusting.
That could have happened that night where my dog was watching and I probably wouldn't have known because I was that drunk. I don't think it happened.
Never have I ever lived in my parents' basement.
No.
Whoa!
Ah, well, you Australian sweets are making me sneeze. Never have I ever watched porn without masturbating. There was an adult sex factor theatre.
Shot. You do it again.
Never have I ever done something illegal with a family member.
Oh my god.
Why is so well chicken?
Someone shot you with what they call when you get you're having a heart attack out of it and they shock you. Looks like that happened to you, buddy, when you
Another
sleep.
classic Andrew moment.
Never have I ever used a hotel room just to have sex.
I can't even concentrate on the questions now.
I think you just drink the whole can. You don't need to read anything out. We know you're just going to say yes to them all.